Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see Pichwai cow painting. For this, I took an MDF cow cutout and painted with 2 coats of white. With orange and red, fill the handprints on the cow. Fill the toes and tail with grey color and then outline with black. With the gold paint, filled all the ornament parts of the cow. To give it an embossed effect, took a 3D outliner and outlined the ornament parts. Stick stones as required. Above the toes, gave an ombre effect with yellow and orange. Outlining and giving finishing to the cow using black. After the paint is completely dried, applying the varnish. Our Pichwai painted cow is ready. It can be used in many ways such as wall hangings and in decorations, which we will see in our upcoming videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.